Stop dreading furnace failures. Keep your home cozy with these simple tips. When the Bronx winter winds start howling, the last thing you want is a failing furnace. Here are some warning signs and maintenance tips to keep your heater humming all season long. First up, those weird noises. If you hear banging, rattling, or squealing, it's time to call in the pros. Unusual sounds can mean mechanical issues or worn-out parts. Next, feel the airflow. If some rooms are colder than others or the air feels weak, your blower or ducts might need attention. Consistent airflow is key, and watch out for frequent cycling. A furnace that's constantly turning on and off could point to a faulty thermostat or a clogged filter. It's not just annoying, it's inefficient. Notice inconsistent heating? A furnace that can't keep a steady temperature might be losing efficiency. Sniff out unusual smells. Burning odors could mean dust buildup or electrical problems, while musty smells suggest mold. Either way, act fast. Skyrocketing energy bills, that's a red flag your furnace isn't running efficiently. Check that pilot light. A yellow flame instead of blue means danger, possible carbon monoxide. Call a technician immediately. And if your carbon monoxide detector alerts you, shut down your furnace and get professional help right away. Now let's talk maintenance. Replace or clean filters regularly, inspect vents, and seal any air leaks to keep things running smoothly. Don't forget to test your carbon monoxide detectors and schedule annual inspections. A little upkeep now saves big headaches later. For expert care, trust FT Heating and Cooling in the Bronx. Keep warm, stay safe, and enjoy a worry-free winter.